What's the meaning of board sailing? Board sailing. Board sailing.
Board sailing. Board sailing. Board sailing, also known as windsurfing, is a surface water sport that involves riding on a board with a sail attached to a mast. The sailor uses the wind to propel the board forward, controlling the direction and speed of the board by adjusting the sail's angle and position on the board. Board sailing can be enjoyed in a variety of conditions, from calm and gentle winds to strong and gusty ones. It is a physically demanding sport that requires a combination of strength, agility, and balance. Board sailing has become a popular recreational activity and competitive sport around the world, with dedicated enthusiasts and professional athletes alike.